Why do some people think Tai Chi is difficult to learn? In fact, they don't start from the law of movement. In particular, some enthusiasts have no idea where to start. So I will take everyone to get started and master the 5 most basic laws. Remember, these laws all keep the body center of gravity vertical, which is good for receiving forces from the ground. Meanwhile, our body parts form a whole, which is conducive to transmitting the supporting force of the ground to each part of the body. First, stand upright. What does it feel? The top of the head is slightly raised, and the body is neither backward nor forward. It's vertical from the top of the head to the spine. The second is to loosen the hips and bend the knees. Note that the flexion angle of the hips and knees is not arbitrary, but depends on the distance between the feet. So how to judge whether the bending angle is correct or not? Let's do it together. Stand up with your legs straight. Slowly bend the back of the knee forward. Be sure to move forward slowly. At some point in the process, you may feel the adhesion between the soles of your feet and the ground increase. When you feel it, then stop. This pose completes the flexion of the hips and knees, and the flexion angle is correct. If we continue to bend the back of the knee forward, we may find that the adhesion of the soles of the feet to the ground is weakened. That is the wrong bend angle. If we enlarge the step, we can also use this method to find the right bend angle. Then you may ask, what is the purpose of flexing the hips and bending the knees? Why is it wrong to have a larger bending angle? I will talk about it in later videos. The third is to relax the body. Get a feel for what it's like to sit on the chair, upright but not stiff. Then stand up and relax the body as you were sitting. The fourth is lower body movement. We do it on the basis of keeping upright, loosening hips, bending knees, and relaxing the body. We now have our legs open and our weight on the left side. Then push your left foot on the ground. Shift your weight to the right. Loosen the right hip, turn the waist, and repeat the action, shifting the weight from the right leg to the left. This is the main movement of the lower body. The fifth is upper body movement. After shifting your weight, when you turn your waist, your hands follow. Shift your weight again, turn your waist, and bring your hands back. It's the same for the left arm. Please remember, the arms move with the body, not the body moves with the arms. The first 3 laws can be practiced in Zhanzhuang, which means standing like sticks, and the above 5 laws can be practiced in Tai Chi Chuan. Zhanzhuang is a static exercise, and Tai Chi Chuan is a dynamic exercise. When we are getting started, we should practice Zhanzhuang first, because it's simple and easier to practice basic laws. In the next video, I will teach you how to do Zhanzhuang. Follow me and don't miss it.